everyone! All Day Supermarket sent me this really nice looking box. It's quite heavy too. I wonder what's inside. Let's set this on the table and... Oh, there's a note. It says, "Hey there, Chef Anton. Your skills and passion for cooking make you a certified all-day chef." Oh, thank you. This also makes you the perfect candidate for our new challenge, the hashtag All-Day Mystery Box Challenge. Dun, dun, dun. Check out what's inside the box and we challenge you to make the best dish out of these ingredients. A recipe that can help you hashtag show all your love for your family and also be recreated by our viewers to help them show their love for their family and food. Now, are you up for the hashtag All-Day Mystery Box Challenge? I don't know. Let's for us to see what's inside the All-Day Mystery Box. Sounds so mysterious. Alright, here we go. Here goes nothing. Welcome guys to my unboxing video. Okay. So first thing that caught my attention would be the cherry tomatoes. Really nice. See some vegetable oil. Parmesan cheese. Kangkong. Lemon. I really like, when it comes to these ingredients, that they look so fresh, really fresh. I've seen the ingredients and I pretty much have an inkling as to what I'll be cooking. Medyo napaisip ako dun. Now, let's do our mise en place. Mise en place is a French term that means to put in place. So we're gonna have everything set before we start cooking. We're gonna prep everything. Alright, let's go. Wow! Okay, we're ready for a prep. So I have my bowls right here. I want to be organized. These cherry tomatoes look absolutely stunning. Look so plump and fresh. Let's grab our all-purpose flour and put it in a deep plate. I'm thinking of actually coating our chicken and browning them. So I'm going to be seasoning our flour. Since we're in the topic of actually adding a little bit of acidity, some kick to our dish, let's grab these bad boys here. I'll just grab a grater and start grating away. So I'm going to use the fine grater here in the back side. So I'm start grating. You just have to be really careful though, you don't want to grate your hands. Our onion powder. Now remember, a little goes a long way. So just a touch of that would do. Some garlic powder. Black pepper. Some salt. And lastly, our Parmesan cheese. And mix well. Now let's dredge our chicken. It's time for us to cook. So I have my pan right here and turn it on. Grab our vegetable oil and pour. I'm just gonna wait for this to heat up. I really love working with um, really nice produce. All day supermarket. I salute pan is hot enough. Let's grab our chicken and put it gently away from you. Now I don't want to overcrowd the pan because that's gonna drop the temperature of our oil and it's gonna make our chicken really soggy. I want a nice brown coating from the chicken. That's where the flavor is at. Okay. So just cook the chicken about 5 minutes each side or until it's brown. We're not gonna fully cook the chicken here anyways. We just want the exterior to be brown. Okay, when you see dark spots, they're fun. They're not burnt. That's really essential because that's where the flavor is gonna come from and it's gonna enhance our sauce immensely. Okay guys, so while we are waiting for our chicken to brown, I've frequented all day supermarket for quite some time now, especially during this trying time for a lot of people. You know, it's quite hard and a bit scary to go outside. But what I like about all day supermarket is that I just order from them. Grab my phone or go to a computer and just order online and it gets delivered straight to your doorstep so you don't have to suffer the hassle of actually leaving your home. Wow. And what's nice about All Day Supermarket is that they have 33 branches nationwide. Man, talk about convenience. Gusto na natin. What a day. Wow, big shout out to All Day. Thank you so much, guys, for this opportunity. I really did have fun and I really enjoyed it.